The blinking green light on your Rogers Internet box indicates a partial connection issue. This happens on models like the Coda 4582, Coda 4682, and XB7 series. Your modem is online and receiving data downstream, but it's failing to send data upstream to Rogers servers. Downstream means receiving information, like web pages loading. Upstream means sending requests, like uploading files. This impacts activities that require sending data, like browsing websites, video calls, and online gaming. This issue primarily affects Rogers cable internet users, not those on fiber optic plans like Rogers Ignite Gigabit. Rogers uses the DOCSIS 3.1 protocol, which requires proper channel bonding for upstream communication. The root causes can include several factors: insufficient bonded channels for the DOCSIS 3.1 setup, interference from factors like splitters, old coaxial cables, or nearby electrical devices, firmware corruption, or issues with Rogers' network itself. Understanding the difference between downstream and upstream issues helps in identifying the right troubleshooting steps.